Hello, I'm Cardmaster123, and today I will be showing you this really cool lie detector trick. It only requires 8 cards. So what we're going to do is we're just going to have the spectator pick any card. Just think of it. Say they think of the Queen of Hearts. So what we're going to do is we're going to in-jog, up-jog, in-jog, up-jog, in-jog, up-jog, in-jog, up-jog. And did they see their card? Yes, they say yes, they see their card. Alright, we're going to do it again. In-jog, up-jog, in-jog, up-jog, in-jog, up-jog, in-jog, up-jog. Do they see their card? No, they do not see their card. One more time. In-jog, up-jog, in-jog, up-jog, in-jog, up-jog, in-jog, up-jog. And you ask, do they see their card? And they do see their card. So now what we're going to do, we're going to make 2 piles of cards. And I'm going to ask you a set of questions. And you can choose to either lie to me or tell me the truth. But it's okay if you lie to me because the deck knows whether you're lying or not. Alright, so was your card a queen or jack? They say jack. No, it was a queen. Was your card a red card or a black card? They say it was a black card. No, it was a red card. Now finally, what was the suit of your card? They say it was a club. No, it was a heart. Queen of Hearts. The deck always knows. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for next week's video because I will be revealing the trick in next week's video. So if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a tutorial from me.